How can you get your A&P program be paid for? Well, fortunately, if you're in the Army or the Air Force, there's things called the COOL programs, and they can pay for the entire course if you're eligible. If you're a vet and you're close to transitioning out or unemployed at the moment, but you have aircraft experience and authorization for the FAA, go to your local vet center. Usually they're under the Economic Development Agency, and the people there are great, and they can assist you with funds that they use from the feds to pay for your course so you can have greater chances at employment. All these funds is to help service members and vets not to be left out in the cold. But if you need more information about resources, please email us at z@coda1mx.com. Thank you.